Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So I am adding jump rings, 6mm jump rings. Get a good view there. And these are like maybe 8mm clasp. So I am adding them to this fine 0.5mm chain, I believe. That's what it said. And it is really a tedious task to take on, because you see that little tiny chain. I got to put it in there, and I'm utilizing this chain like a fine silver, like a fine chain. You know how you go into the department stores and they have their little tiny chain set up with their little pendants. That's what I'm utilizing this so it'll hang properly. So I'm using 16 inches of wire, and we're going to stay in the frame for one thing and put that towards me, and we are going to feed it in the last hole, and we're going to close it up until we hear a click, and we're going to put it right there. We're going to bring in 2 more. So guys, thank you for hanging in there with me. I know I was out for a minute, but I finally, got control of my hurt arm situation. So let's get back in here to get you some good views. We're just feeding. Like I said, sometimes it's tedious because I'm working with the little fine gauge, because I want it to hang properly. Let's see, we're going to close it. Make sure it's closed. When you hear the click, and I heard the click. And we're going to do one more, and that should finish this video. Let's see. So I'm thinking about going back to work too. I'm waiting on a company to, they sent me the offer letter. And I didn't realize I had to go into the documents to accept the job offer. Everything, when it gets complicated these days, when it comes to this computer stuff, it's hard. And I'm trying to teach myself how to work and maneuver this computer system. Everything I know, I teach myself. By watching YouTube videos and learning these things myself. But anyway, it's good to have this type of knowledge, especially in this day and time. So this is going to be the last one. So we are feeding it in that last hole. And I'm going to come back and do another video and show you how the type of pendants that I'm putting on these. And they all done in this silver tone. So let's see if I can get this in there for y'all. There we go. And we're closing it up, and you heard the snapping. Thank you guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Let me show you what they look like. See, instead of ordering the chains off Amazon, I just made my own chain. See that? But anyway, peace. Catch you in the next one.